Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me unboxing my first regular FabFitFun box. I subscribed a couple months ago and have received the editor's box, but this one is going to be my first regular one and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys on camera for the first time. This video is also going to be my 600 subscriber giveaway, and I know I'm a little late, but I still wanted to do it. And the giveaway will include items from this box and items from my editor's box. So stay until the end of the video to see exactly what's going to be included in the giveaway, and the rules for the giveaway will be in the description down below, so check that out too. Let's get started. So if you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a subscription box. It's a seasonal box that comes like every spring, summer, winter, and fall. It costs $50 and it's supposed to include items valued at over $250, so it's a pretty good deal, and it's a lifestyle box. It includes makeup, personal care, home, fitness, whatever items that they have curated for the season. This is my box, and I know I ordered a few add-ons, which I don't remember anymore, but we'll see everything that I ordered. So the box is here and my add-ons are here. And there is also customization opportunity for a couple of the items, which I did, and I don't remember anymore what they were. So it's gonna be a complete surprise for me, I think. Okay, so first are my add-ons, which the first thing that I ordered was this Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Emulsion. And I have actually used this. I got it as a sample one time a while back and I really liked it. So I decided to order it. It's clean, non-toxic, smells amazing like apples, so I was really excited to get this. Actually, on the FabFitFun site, I remember it was considerably cheaper than it is on juicebeauty.com, so I definitely jumped on that. So the next thing that I ordered is this liquid eyeliner, which when I was doing my add-ons, I needed an eyeliner, so I ordered this one, but then I went to Bulgaria and I bought two more. So I now have 3 eyeliners, but that's okay. This is by the brand Beauty Guard. It has this really pretty packaging with roses and stuff. Just wanted to see what type of eyeliner it is. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's one of these. This is not my favorite type of eyeliner for sure, but I will make it work. And now we can go into the box. So this is what the box looks like. It's really pretty and colorful and summery. Looks really cute. And I can't wait to see what's in there. I avoided every FabFitFun unboxing video so far, so I really have no idea. I'm excited to see. So here is what we're getting. First we have the magazine, which I'm not going to be reading because I want to be surprised. This is the little magazine. They also give you this gift card for HelloFresh, which is valued at $80. And I have another one like that, which I haven't used, so I think I will include this in the giveaway if you guys want to try it, just as a little bonus. Okay, so the first item that I'm seeing is this exfoliating foot mask. It's supposed to exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth. It's by the brand Wish. It has coconut milk and verbena, if that's how it's pronounced. So the next thing are these indigo tie-dye bowls, which I'm actually really excited for because I love like home items. And they are by West Elm, which I like this brand. They have really cute stuff. This is what they look like. I thought they're all gonna be the same size, but they're not. They're kind of like nesting in each other. But I really like them. They're so cute. So this is the first one. Really pretty. Oh, they're completely identical, just different sizes. This is the second one, baby one, larger one. And this is the biggest one. And that's how they look. I think they're really cute. I'm definitely gonna keep them. I love them. Next up we have this. It says mystery choice, which I guess I didn't customize. I don't know. I don't remember anything, so whatever. So this is by the brand Cuccio. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. I'm sorry if I'm not. This is called Yoga Cooling Spot Therapy with peppermint and green tea. It says temple rub for clarity and peace of mind. I love things like that, so I think I'm gonna use this. Sounds pretty fun. I'm not the biggest mint fan, but I might like it. We'll see. Okay, this sounds pretty cool. Next item is Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. I love rose water sprays. I think they're super refreshing and I'm so excited to use this all summer. So the next thing that I'm getting is this Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. And I literally have a ton of masks, so I think I'm gonna include this in the giveaway for you guys to win. It's made with Davidson Plum and it's cruelty-free, and it's supposed to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture your skin. I think you guys are gonna like this. So the next thing is clothing or scarf or something like this. Let me check it out. It's by the brand Spiritual Gangster. Oh, okay, this is a kimono or something. I really like it. I have to try it. I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. So guys, this is what the kimono looks like. Obviously I'm not dressed really good right now with that dress and the other pattern, but just wanted to show you what it looks like. I think it's gonna be really cute with like shorts and like a white shirt or something more neutral. And yeah, I'm excited for this. I think it's pretty cute. Really wanted to have one for the summer. The next thing is this traceless hair ring, and I've always wanted to try these, so I'm really excited for them. We get two different colors. One is like completely transparent. Let me try it because I'm very particular about hair ties. Oh wait, this is super cool. I've never tried anything like that, and it seems to be very like, it seems to be tight enough just the way that I like it. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I love these. I'm definitely gonna be wearing them. The next thing that we're getting, oh my god, my hair is crazy. The next thing we're getting is this Burn 63 resistant bands for like exercising and stuff. Burn 60, it says Burn 60 is high intensity interval training for all fitness levels. Our signature training program is designed to help you work out smarter, maximize calorie burn, and tone major muscle groups. I already have so much like equipment at home because I always work out from home. Like I have dumbbells, I have resistant bands and everything. So I might actually give you guys this in the giveaway. And you get 3 different resistance levels: heavy, light, and medium. And I think this might go in the giveaway. And then one last item is this healing balm by the brand Dr. Rogers, and you can use it for chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, and baby ointment. This is interesting. I think this looks like it's gonna be very natural. It has only 3 ingredients, and it's a pretty boring product, so I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna include it in the giveaway. Okay guys, let's move on to the giveaway right now. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna be including, and as I said, the rules for the giveaway will be in the description down below, so make sure you check that out. So this is from the editor's box, and the first thing is this Ahava Intense Foot Cream. This is for dry and sensitive skin relief. The next thing is by the brand Levito, and it's this body lotion with mandarin orange and bergamot. I have no idea what it smells like. I haven't opened it, but it sounds pretty good. The next thing you guys already saw, and it's the Generation Clay Mask with plum, with Davidson Plum. The next thing you also already saw it, and it's the Burn Resistant Bands, the 3 resistant bands. Also this little gift card for HelloFresh if you guys want to try it, I guess. And then the other thing is this really cute thing I'm gonna show you guys. It's also from the editor's box. And it's this really cute jewelry tray or just like trinket tray that you guys can put in your bathroom or next to your bed, and it's really cute. It has this rose gold detail and baby pink. My cat is very happy with that FabFitFun situation because he gets a new box to hang out in. Gimme! What are you doing there? So this box was for the giveaway, you guys, but my cat just plopped himself in it as well. I'm sorry you're not getting him. Okay guys, that was everything for this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. It means the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next week with another one. Bye guys!